We use our shoulders for a lot of things. Playing with our kids, working out, cooking, the list goes on. But what if your shoulder hurts too much to be able to do these things? It's possible that your rotator cuff is the problem. So in this video, I'll explain possibly why your shoulder might be hurting, and then I'm going to show you 3 simple rotator cuff strengthening exercises using just a dumbbell. Oftentimes people end up with shoulder pain because of what we call impingement. That's when these rotator cuff tendons, which are these muscles here that kind of go from your shoulder blade and they come down and attach to your arm bone here. That's when these tendons get excessively pinched whenever we try to lift our arm up, or things like that. Now, why does this happen? Well, it could be a number of reasons. One of which, it could be the rotator cuff muscles are weak. Your rotator cuff muscles actually are supposed to keep your arm bone from raising up too much and pinching into this other bone called the acromion. So if it's weak, then that bone will start shifting up. Another possibility is tightness of your chest muscles here, which will put you in a poor posture. And then on the other side, weakness of certain back muscles like your middle traps, your lower traps, which kind of keep your shoulder blades back. Regardless of what the reason is, these 3 exercises I'm going to show you are going to address all of those. And all you need to use is this dumbbell. So I have a 2-pound dumbbell here, and believe it or not, it can actually be pretty challenging with just 2 pounds. Now, feel free to try a little bit more weight or no dumbbell at all. Now, if you don't have a dumbbell, you could also use something else like a water bottle or some other household object that probably weighs around the same weight. So this first exercise is called side lying external rotation. And for this, you're gonna lie on your side, but you're also gonna need a rolled up towel to put underneath your arm like this. Now this is gonna allow your rotator cuff muscles to be in a position where they're gonna be able to activate better. And then you're gonna take your weight, start here at your belly, and then you're going to just rotate your arm to lift your hands up and then slowly back down. Now for this, make sure that your elbow doesn't extend out as you try to lift. Your elbow wants to stay bent at this kind of 90-degree angle the entire time. So you're just rotating and then bringing it back down. So for all these exercises, we're going to do 20 reps because we want to build the endurance. Now if you can't get to 20, it's okay. Just stop wherever you can get or drop down to a lighter weight in order to be able to get to 20. So this next exercise is to work on the shoulder internal rotators. To do this, you're going to kind of lie on your side, kind of on your back. You're going to place your arm directly out to the side, kind of like this 90-degree angle with your body. Elbow at a 90-degree angle as well. And then you're going to slowly just let it drop back and then bring it back up. Same numbers here. We want to do 20 reps to build the endurance in these muscles. Now this one can be kind of easy just because you have a lot of other internal rotators like your pecs, your lats. So it's okay to go up in weight if you feel like this one is a little too easy. So for the last exercise, you're actually going to want to be on your stomach and hanging your arm off the edge. So you can do this on the edge of your bed. In this case, I'm using a massage table here. You're going to start off by pinching your shoulder blade back like this, and then lifting your arm out to the side like so. Make sure you don't go past your body or anything, just even with your body. And then the last step is to rotate your arm up like so, and then let it back down, and then bring your arm back down. Okay? So it's very important that you pinch your shoulder blade back because that'll actually get those middle trap and lower trap muscles engaged as well, which will help with strengthening your back, maybe even stretching out your chest as well. And then the rotation aspect will strengthen those rotator cuff muscles. And then again, you want to do about 20 reps of these to build up the endurance of those muscles. Now, one other aspect of getting rid of your shoulder pain is by not irritating it at night. So check out this video right here if you want to learn how to best sleep when you have shoulder pain. And then also feel free to check out this other video maybe right here. I'll see you in the next video.